the two clones.
Out of here.
They're like,
They're on our way.
Anything else. I just have to get a few more things. I can get them on. Let me like grab the lucky man.
What time is it? It is 3:51 a.m. We're leaving the economy lot C, headed to the terminal. On our way to Hawaii.
Hawaii. Aloha. We are in Hawaii.
Hawaii.
It's our bag. Is that my bag? That is my bag.
That ain't your bag.
Similar.
It's similar, but that ain't your bag. Hot here.
It's warm.
It's like it's a tropical island or something. All right. Next stop, rent the car.
In the car and stuff there.
And then it's a 2-hour drive to the hotel. So this is our first beach in Hawaii. Well, I'm about to fall down. It's our first beach in Hawaii. And there's these little mini crabs everywhere. See one? Right there, there's one. See it? Hanging out on the rock. See them? They're everywhere. They're cool as shit. And it's slick here, even barefoot. Woo. There's one way over there. It's slick even when you're barefoot.
I bet.
Very nice. Cool. Well, what do you want to do? There's a bunch of beaches along the way. You want to just keep moving?
Yeah.
We're out. So we made it to the hotel. This is the Grand Nani Loa in Hilo, Hawaii, and Sonya's going to show you all around.
All right, so just stepping into the door. Then the first thing we have here, you can see right across the room there, but we'll stop off here in the bathroom. So we have a toilet, a shower, and a sink. And then we have this sliding door for privacy, right? Everybody needs a sliding door for privacy. Okay, and if we walk on through, we have this nice little bar area here with some pretty blue bottles of water and a coffee pot and a microwave and a refrigerator and a pretty picture on the wall.
Yeah, but let me show the best part.
Okay, he's going to show us the best part. Okay,
So you can see it all.
here we go.
You see the whole thing. Back up.
Back it up.
All
I
right.
gotta back it up. There it is. Ta-ta.
Ta-da!
Ta-da.
Look at that view. That sun is incredible.
Is incredible.
It's setting, so we know where. I guess this is the west side.
Wow, that's a perfect place to be.
Come
We
on
got
here.
this nice
So, see.
king bed over here. So, looky here.
What a view.
What a view, and we will have a sunset view. Oh my goodness. There's the parking lot. Okay. Hey, look. Closet with a safe and a luggage stand.
Iron
and
board.
Iron board, iron. chair with a person.
Did it come in the refrigerator?
I don't know.
Nope.
Nope. Nothing in the
But I know
refrigerator.
what's going in it.
The water. Here's a couple of hula hoop people, or hula people. Nice. 2 different styles of hula. The hula kaiko. And then the hula asana. If I can see that without my glasses.
I had to close that.
All right.
Why
So,
is it 80 degrees in here?
I don't know, but it isn't cool enough.
Where are we at, darling?
Hawaii?
Yeah, Richardson Park. What happened to my hair?
I don't know.